Hi guys. Really? I say hello and you want to bark? You're so weird. Hey guys, so I just shot that video inside of the baby chicks that I have and the coryza issue that I have going on with them. I know that's like an upper respiratory problem, so hopefully I get that fixed and I don't lose any of them. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick tour of the rest of my chickies. I got some teenagers, I got 2 laying hens, and I got 1 trucken that isn't laying yet. Her name's Red. She's a Rhode Island. The other 2, I don't know what they are. Maybe you guys can tell me what they are. But okay, let's get started. Okay, wait, I need to pause this because I don't know what to do. Okay, check it. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. So this is Mercedes. I don't know what she is, but she's beautiful. She's one of my laying hens. Hi, Mama. And this is Red. Say hi, Red. Say hi, Red. She loves to be petted. But she has a lot of gurgles. I gave her some Tylenol, so I think I gave her like 0.2 of it. But she was just under the weather this morning. She didn't want to come out of her coop. But I was thinking maybe because it rained last night. That's probably why. So let me show you my little teenagers. I call them teenagers. They're about 3.5 months. You remember Token inside? And the other one? Well, these are their sisters. Hi, mamas. Hi. So I have 5 of these ones. Baby girls, I want to see you. What are y'all doing? It's so beautiful out. Why aren't y'all out roaming? Why aren't you roaming? Anywho, okay, well that's them. They're boring. Y'all are boring. So this one used to be my little hospital, but has turned into my my shed, my outdoor shed. Oh, come on. Everything in my, okay, I can't get it. Everything here is super rustic, so we used what we had. See, that's my shed. It held all my tools and some gardening stuff whatsoever. Okay, whatever. And this is now the hospital, and it's rustic to the maximum. And here's my little girl. She's got the coryza too. She's got the coryza virus. Ay, 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 these girls. They're gonna drive me crazy. Hi, baby. But you can see her eyes are very, it was swollen. I gave her Tylenol yesterday. And I just don't want to let her out of the coop with all the other ones because, I don't know, she shakes her head and like the mucus goes everywhere. And I just don't want to get any more sick. So, all right, let's see. All right, to the next one. So now this one is the big one. This is where all the girls sleep at night. They all come in through here. This is their run. They all come in here and they eat and they take their naps and get out of the sun. So, okay guys, so the run is made up of all window screens that my Theo had back in the day on his old house. So he kept them thinking, you know, I'm gonna need them for something. Well, we needed them for something. So these are all reclaimed pieces. Almost everything in this house that we have is reclaimed. So what we got here is a little perch for the little ones. We got the hole here so that they can come out in the mornings. I've got their fresh water every day. I made them a little swing. And then I leave some food here for the big girls. Portia, Mercedes, and Red. But of course, they want to eat the chick feed, which is fine. They could do it. It's medicated. Right, Portia? Oh, Portia came out. She was inside. She was in her box. Did you lay me an egg, Mama? Or you're going back in? It's not done yet? Huh? That's so funny. Huh. Let's go see if she gave me an egg. I'll show you guys the inside. So, okay, don't freak out. This is because it rained last night, and this also is a screen like this one. So, I just didn't want to leave it completely open, and it's hot here. I'm in San Antonio, Texas, so I try and keep it as ventilated as possible. And Miss Portia probably was not done, so right now she's climbing up to get into her box, which she's going to right now. So her box is right here. Her and Mercedes, they both go in the same box, and sometimes I catch them both in there at the same time. I'm like, really, guys? Take turns. Take turns, women. But this is where they sleep. Right here is where my teenagers, they'll come up here. Some will sleep here. Some will sleep on the way top. I'm like, really? And then Portia, Mercedes, and Red, my big girls, they'll usually like roost right here in the top. And I'm like, ugh. That's why I have like branches and stuff everywhere so they can be, but no, they want to be on the boards. So I guess she wasn't ready. You weren't ready, Mama? She's like, leave me alone. All right, guys, so that's it. That's the coop, and loving life right now. Have a lot of projects going on right now. I'm working on my outside, making it all pretty. My gardenias, I have 2 gardenias. I have some pomblagos over here. Yeah, just making it look cute. Everything inside looks pretty awesome too, if you guys would like to see that. But hi, Chura. This is my chula. Hi, my chula. Yes, and her tongue is always out. Let me show you my Millie. Where's my Millie? Scratching as usual. Where's my Millie, Mama? Hey, where are you going? Where's he going? But this is all the property that my girls have to roam. But to tell you the truth, they don't really roam they don't roam far. The farthest they go is to that tree. The farthest they go over here is to that tree. The farthest they go over here, I've actually caught them at that tree. And way down there, you see that that bench? I've actually caught them that far. So they're slowly starting to venture out, which I'm scared. I don't really want them going too far because my grandma's over there and my tia's over there. I just don't want them to like go on my grandma's porch and stuff and start crapping all over the place like they do here. I swear, I have to clean my area like 3 times a day. But I love them. I don't care. I'll clean up their poopy. All right, guys. Well, that's my place. That's the coop. That's my chickens. I will talk to you guys soon. If you want to see more of chickens and coops, or I don't know the coops because I'm not doing anything else. But my barn, let me know. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, bye.